Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Then take a look at this 2018 Jeep Compass Latitude in diamond black crystal pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, fog and cornering lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, deep tinted sunscreen glass, rear window wiper and washer, manual 6-way driver and passenger seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 33,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, Bluetooth streaming audio, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5626.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.